And tell everybody, yo, what's free bags?
Free opportunity to get how much ever money you want.
There you go. I love it. And then what point in your life did you look at the TV screen and turn on the radio and just feel like, man, this turn thing is going too far? Look what I started.
But I always think about it, turn on radio station, radio show. Every rapper usually one of the raps is turn on the mics on the radio. Whether it may be saying at the time, like Dirty Sprite, they use
How does that feel as well? Like, 'cause I think you influence a lot of people to just understand and know what the drink Dirty Sprite is or what lean is, and like see like the whole world kind of like get back on it. What's the difference in the creative process like between a project like True Story, Dirty Sprite 1000, and an album like this? Honest, is there a different way that you're approaching it? Is there a different? What's one of your favorite like records on the album? I know all of them are special to you, but what's one of the ones that stands out to you and expresses you the most? Happy You? Talk to us about that.
I feel you just put myself in my own position to just say music. That chemistry. That's when you gotta express yourself.
Happy You, man. Let's get into this. This one. Happy You right here, Sirius XM Hip Hop Nation Thursday Night Future. It's live in the building. This is album release party. Hip Hop Nation, let's go.
Thinking how you would be thinking of it and you lose it. I'm dreaming how you would be dreaming and hoping you would. I get what you give and I never make bad decisions. I get what you feeling, I'm hoping and praying and willing.